The Makita XLC11ZW 18-volt LXT lithium-ion compact brushless cordless cyclonic 4-speed stick vacuum is a tool that brings a whole new level of power and convenience to your cleaning routine. It's designed for those who want versatility, a lightweight option, and the freedom of a cordless vacuum without sacrificing performance. Whether you're tackling dirt on hard floors or picking up pet hair from carpets, this vacuum promises a thorough clean with its powerful cyclonic action. One of the standout features of the XLC11ZW is its cyclonic action, which is engineered to separate dust particles and ensure that your filter lasts up to 6 times longer. This is an important detail for anyone who's tired of replacing filters frequently. The cyclonic technology maintains consistent suction power as you clean, preventing that annoying drop in performance you can sometimes get with other vacuums. For anyone who's dealt with low suction after a few minutes, this is a refreshing change. In terms of runtime, the XLC11ZW offers up to 27 minutes of continuous cleaning with the 18-volt LXT 2.0 Ah battery, which is sold separately. For those who need longer runtime, you can always swap out the battery for a higher capacity one. But as it stands, the 27 minutes of use should be enough for most everyday tasks. If you've got a smaller space or less ground to cover, this vacuum's battery life will be more than enough. But for larger homes, it might be worth keeping a spare battery on hand. The vacuum's bagless canister is another major convenience. With this design, debris is easily disposed of without having to deal with vacuum bags. It's a more efficient and cost-effective solution, as you won't need to purchase replacement bags over time. The canister is simple to empty, making it a practical choice for quick cleaning jobs or larger, more routine tasks. When it comes to cleaning power, the Makita XLC11ZW features 4-speed options, which allows you to adjust both the power and runtime depending on your cleaning needs. Whether you're tackling delicate upholstery or more intensive cleaning on hard floors, the ability to control the power is a nice touch. The 4-speed settings also ensure that you're able to optimize the vacuum's performance based on your specific cleaning task, saving energy when you don't need maximum suction. One of the biggest advantages of this vacuum is its compact and ergonomic design. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, which makes it an excellent choice for anyone who finds heavier vacuums to be a challenge. If you've ever struggled with a bulky vacuum, you'll appreciate the comfort and ease of handling this model. Its compact form also makes it easy to store, which is great for smaller homes or apartments where space can be at a premium. Testing the XLC11ZW in real-world scenarios, I was impressed by how well it handled fine dust on hard floors. The cyclonic action made a noticeable difference in how effectively it picked up debris without losing suction. When I tested it on carpets, it did a solid job lifting embedded dirt and pet hair, though it did take a bit more effort on thicker or deeper carpets. This isn't the vacuum for high-pile carpet, but it performs well enough on mid to low-pile rugs and hard floors. Using the vacuum on stairs and upholstery was also a breeze, thanks to its lightweight build and ergonomic design. The included attachments work well for these tasks, making it a versatile option for cleaning different areas in your home. Where the XLC11ZW falls short is in its battery life in high power mode. While it can last up to 27 minutes, when the vacuum is running at full power, you might notice that the runtime dips quicker. This isn't a deal breaker for smaller tasks, but if you're cleaning a large space, you might need a backup battery or to plan for a few breaks while it recharges. On the plus side, the 4-speed feature allows you to fine-tune the power and manage battery consumption. The vacuum's lightweight design makes it easy to carry from room to room, and its cyclonic technology ensures that the suction remains strong, even as the dustbin fills up. It's well suited for apartment dwellers or anyone who needs an easy-to-use, compact vacuum without all the bulk of traditional models. In terms of value, the XLC11ZW offers solid performance for the price. It's a versatile, user-friendly option that's perfect for people with smaller homes or apartments, or those who just need something lightweight and efficient. However, it's not the best choice for those who need heavy-duty suction for deep cleaning carpets or large spaces. For its price point, it compares well to other cordless stick vacuums, But if you need longer runtime or a more robust build, there are other options out there. When compared to alternatives in the same range, the Makita XLC11ZW stands out for its cyclonic action and lightweight design. However, if you're after a vacuum that can handle larger homes or deep cleaning, something like the Dyson V8 or Shark Ion Flex might be better suited to your needs. Those models tend to offer longer battery life and better performance on thicker carpets, though they do come at a higher price. Build quality on the XLC11ZW is solid, though you can tell it's designed for efficiency rather than luxury. The plastic components feel sturdy, but not overly premium. The dust canister is easy to remove and clean, and the brush roll is simple to maintain. Like most vacuums, it will need occasional cleaning, especially around the brush roll if you have long hair or pets. The compact design does make it a bit less durable than some larger models, but it feels reliable for everyday cleaning tasks. Overall, the Makita XLC11ZW 18-volt Lithium-ion compact, brushless, cordless, cyclonic 4-speed stick vacuum is a solid choice for anyone who values convenience and lightweight design over heavy-duty performance. It excels in managing fine dust, hair, and debris on hard floors and light carpet, and its ergonomic build makes it comfortable to use. However, it does have its limitations in terms of battery life on full power and performance on thick carpets. For those with larger homes or who need a vacuum for deep cleaning, there are better options out there. But for apartment dwellers or those who want something compact and efficient, this model is a great fit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link to get your own in the comments box below. If you have any questions or thoughts on the Makita XLC11ZW, feel free to drop a comment and share your experiences. Goodbye until next time, and remember, a cleaner home is always just a vacuum away.